I'm going to send you everything you need, like ads, how to make the website, how to make everything, professional, how to get partners. So all you're going to be doing is you're going to be signing up with partners. Okay. So you're going to partner with a wedding planner, and we're going to send them the leads. We're going to send them the jobs or whatever, and they're going to split it with you. This is how you make 10K per sale, guys. As you can see, look, it can be up to 5K for a day of work for some of these weddings. Watch this. Now we got a new roof, right? Now, in the industry, they call them re-roof. Okay, so we're going to see re-roof costs. Let's just say, how much does it cost to replace? Okay, so in Chicago is around 8K, pretty much close. It just depends on the size of the house and everything like that. So